Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a blow dart. Now for this blow dart we're going to use shoelace string, we're going to use a pin, we're going to use heat shrink, we're going to use a straw, and this straw is a McDonald's straw. We're also going to need a pair of scissors, and we're going to need a heat gun for heating the shrink wrap. Right, first we'll get the heat shrink. I'll cut that roughly in about half. Okay. You can work out yourself what length or what size you want, so what size pin you have. I'm roughly just going to cut this piece in half. Next I will get the shoelace and I'll push the heat shrink over the shoelace. Now you can just use a shoelace for making a blow dart, but the only problem is with using one shoelace is out of all the string you have, you only get to make one blow dart. So by using the heat shrink you can make more than one. Now I'm going to work this all the way down the end of the string to the end. Reason being, I can make many more. Right, there we go. Worked it down to the end of the string. I'll leave a bit here. I'll leave this bit left over for making the dart. I will cut the end here. Like so. Now I'll try and undo the back of this and flare it out so it looks a bit like a dart. Now I'll get the pin and we'll push down here and we'll try and get it as dead center as possible, but it's hard to tell, we have to guess it. And push the pin in so that sticks at the end like that. So that kind of looks like a dart. But now what we have to do, heat up the heat shrink. I have what's called a rework station, so I can adjust the heat. One benefit of adjusting the heat is that this is nylon. If you try and heat nylon with a normal heat gun, you may melt it. Now the best lace to use would be something made of cotton, or something that's not going to melt like nylon. But I'm quite confident that I'm not going to melt the nylon in this case, as I can adjust the temperature. This is very noisy when I turn this on, so you have to bear with me on the noise. Okay, now that I've made the dart and now we've got rid of that horrible noise of the rework station, here's the finished dart. Get the straw, load the dart into the straw. I just use something just to push it down a little bit, otherwise you get all the fluffy bits. Okay. There you go. I hope you saw that on the camera. In the straw, just push it down. We'll just push it down a little bit.